Good morning, good morning. Good morning, people of Earth. So, today, I have my car. Yay! No, we actually bought two cars now, so I actually have my own vehicle to do some errands when I need to run out, which is good. So I am going to run over to the storage unit and do some organization, set up a few tables, because we do have a storage unit coming up Friday. So, and I'm running to the post office and I'm running to Dunkin' Donuts as usual. But other than that, let's get into it. Alright, we're out at the storage unit. So, I wanted to put a table across here. And I'm going to have to clean all this stuff out to do that. I need to go through these and see if any of these are worth selling. I need to go through all these, another box of RC cars, to see if they're worth selling. I've got a kitchen table set here that I got to list on Facebook Marketplace. And there's a few other things. My championship trophy right here from having the best looking car in the world. Just kidding. Yeah, well, let me get to it and I'll show you how it looks when I get done with it. Alright, so we got the table set up. Found this cool gun. Was looking up these things. The push and plays or red handle Tonkas. These are going for like 60, anywhere between $35 and $60. I think I might just lot them up and throw them up on Facebook Marketplace. But I'm going to have to do something with this table set. Nobody seems to want to buy it. I have these two bureaus up and nobody seems to want to buy it. I get nothing back. I have all these vintage metal Tonka trucks and front end loaders. I gotta get all those listed. And I have 3 giant ACs, so if anybody needs an air conditioner, $10-20, let me know. But all these, this is broken. The front end wheels are broken on it, so this is pretty much garbage. And most of the cars in here are pretty much garbage. So I gotta end up getting rid of those next week. Clear out some more room for the next unit. The next unit is Friday, which is tomorrow, and it's actually in this facility here. So hopefully we're going to get it for under $200, but we will wait and see. We'll have a new video for that. All right, guys. So as of right now, we're still winning this unit. There's still 5 hours left on it. That's what's there. That's what's in there, and it is snowing out. So, well. Middle of April, and it's snowing out.